Good morning student. Today we are going to discuss on the topic ecosystem, structure and its function. This is for the student of BSc Part 1 Paper 2. In this module we will discuss about what is ecosystem, what are its structural component of the ecosystem, kinds of ecosystem and functional aspect of the ecosystem. What is ecosystem? Ecosystem is a self-regulated, self-sustaining, structural and functional unit of nature, that is biosphere, consisting of a community of living organisms and its physical environment, both interacting and exchanging material between them. The term ecosystem was introduced by Tansley in 1935. Kinds of ecosystem. There are basically two types of ecosystem: natural ecosystem and artificial or man-made ecosystem. Under natural ecosystem, it can be either terrestrial or land ecosystem or aquatic or water ecosystem. So natural ecosystem is the one which develop in nature without human support or interference. For example, forest or marine ecosystem is natural, whereas an artificial or man-made ecosystem is the one which is created and maintained by human being. For example, agriculture, garden, aquarium, etc. Depending upon the size, ecosystem can also be classified as micro ecosystem, nano ecosystem or mega ecosystem. So micro ecosystem is very small ecosystem, for example pond. Nano ecosystem is like aquarium, kitchen garden, log of wood, and mega ecosystem we can consider ocean as a mega ecosystem, and biosphere is a global ecosystem. Now, what are the structural component of the ecosystem? It consists of abiotic and biotic component. Under abiotic component includes non-living substances. It can be categorized as climatic condition, inorganic substance or organic substance. Climatic conditions and physical factor include soil, water, light, temperature, humidity, pH, etc. And inorganic substance include carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. Organic substance like protein, carbohydrate, lipid. These are the non-living or abiotic component of the ecosystem. Biotic or the living component include autotrophic organism and heterotrophic organism. Autotrophs include plants or the producer which can make their own food from inorganic raw material, and heterotrophs component include consumers and decomposers. Consumers are herbivore, carnivore and omnivore, whereas decomposer help in decomposition in nutrient cycle, example bacteria and viruses. Now let us discuss what are the functions of the ecosystem. First is productivity of the ecosystem, second food chain and food web, ecological pyramid, energy flow in ecosystem, and the nutrient cycle. So first is the productivity of the ecosystem. What is productivity? Productivity is the rate of synthesis of energy containing organic matter or biomass by any trophic level per unit area in unit time is productivity. It is of three types: primary productivity, secondary productivity, net primary productivity. So we can understand each one. What is primary productivity? So amount of energy accumulation in green plant as biomass, we can call this as primary productivity. It is of two types: gross primary productivity and net primary productivity. So a net primary productivity is equal to gross primary productivity minus R. R is the respiratory loss, which is the energy utilized by living organism at each trophic level. Secondary productivity is the rate of resynthesis of organic matter by the consumer, that is heterotrophs. Next function is food chain. Food chain is a sequence of population or organism of an ecosystem through which the food and its contained energy passes from one member to the next, forming food chain. It is of two types: grazing food chain and detritus food chain. Grazing food chain starts from the green plant autotrophs and end up to the omnivore, whereas detritus food chain starts from the decomposers and it helps in decomposition cycle. Food web. Network of food chain is called as food web. Ecological pyramid. What are ecological pyramid? Graphical representation of each trophic level of various ecological parameters like energy, number and biomass is known as ecological pyramid. Pyramid of number, it depicts the number of individual organisms at different trophic level of the food chain. It can be inverted in some of the food chain, like in case of forest ecosystem it can be inverted also. Otherwise maximum ecosystem is upright. Pyramid of number is upright. A pyramid of biomass is the biomass of the member of the food chain present at any time forms the pyramid of biomass. It is always, most of the time it is upright. It can be inverted only in case of aquatic food ecosystem. And pyramid of energy is always upright. It cannot be inverted because producers have the maximum energy harvested by the sunlight. It follows the 10% rule, according to which only 10% of the energy is passed on to the next trophic level. Energy flow in the ecosystem is always unidirectional and it follows the 10% law, which means the energy from one trophic level to the next only pass is 10% of the previous trophic level. And the nutrient cycle also help in cycling of the nutrient, carbon cycle, phosphorus cycle, sulfur cycle. All these nutrient cycle operate in the ecosystem and help in the recycling and of the nutrient in different levels of the food chain as well as living and non-living world. Thank you.